Yes, well, the design has really been developed with the community and participation. And we've had a series of community events, the first in May, where we asked people the sorts of materials and the types of buildings and how things should be arranged on the site. And we fed that into the design and developed 2 design options, which we presented to the community in June. And we got a strong steer from that, from the community of which they preferred. And we've taken that design concept and developed it through. And the concept really is of a building that seamlessly rises out of the landscape and also gives the opportunity for the public to access onto the roof and have a close view of the pioneering Sill vegetation roof, but also take in the wider landscape and the views of the Great Sill.
I suppose the roof will be the standout feature, won't it, for most people when they see it from a distance? Well,
yes.
Tell me a little bit about the roof.
Yes, I mean, it's very much a standout feature. It's pioneering in terms of the vegetation, to use Sill vegetation on the roof, and it'll give people the opportunity to see how that progresses and using different substrate. So it really will give people the opportunity to engage close up with the vegetation.
And have you managed to work out the sort of how it will work inside, and are you happy with the way that the building will work?
Yes, yes. I mean, the building is all about engaging people with the landscape. So the journey through the building is very important, and it'll take you through exciting, stimulating interpretation exhibition zones. But then will also lead you back through the building, out of a ramp, through onto the roof itself. So the building and the roof in itself is part of the exhibition.
And it's a building that's going to be used for many different things. It's going to be a hard working building.
Absolutely, there's so many different activities that can be happening in the building, and the building's been generated from that activity programme, so that we've got classroom space to be used by both YHA and Landscape Discovery Centre visitors, flexible exhibition spaces, and the fantastic first floor cafe which will take in panoramic views.
And the materials, I suppose, are there anything special about the materials?
Special in terms of they're locally sourced, so they're of the site. So we're hoping to use local windstone. We're also looking to incorporate heather thatched roofs, which obviously is a historic building material, but to use it in quite a contemporary, interesting way. So yes, it's an interesting combination, and of course the Sill vegetation is a pioneering use for the roof.
So you feel it'll sit comfortably within its landscape?
Absolutely, it's about blending with the landscape and working with the materials, so the building is very much part of the landscape.
Are you excited about it? What's the next stages in the process?
Oh, it's a very exciting process. The whole project has been very exciting to be involved with. We're about to launch our latest design proposals to the public at the next community consultation event, and that'll also give us the opportunity to engage people with the interpretation proposals and the exhibition and get people involved in the design of those. And then we move on from that to preparing for a planning application submission. So it's a very exciting time.